Here's the video for the Standing Uncle Sam. I laid all my pieces out and put them in sections of the colors I am going to be painting them. There are a lot of pieces to this, so you want to have a plan. I'm going to be using Wise Owl Republic Red, Wise Owl Snow Owl, and the red, I basically did the stripes on the hats, the cuffs, and the feet. The white, I'm going to do the mustache, part of the banner, some of the buttons, the eyebrows, the top of the hat, and the beard. Then I'm going to go in with like a skin color. I just mixed a little bit of white and brown paint together till I got the shade I was happy with. I'm also going to be using some Wise Owl Bowie. And I did that on some of the smaller stars. I did that on the rim of the hat as well. On the shirt and on the pants. And then I covered the hands with the same color that I covered the face and nose with. And now at this point, once you picked all your colors, you want to make sure everything is completely dry before gluing anything together. So I'm starting with the banner. It has 3 layers, red, white, and blue. Then I glued on the cuffs just above the hands. And then I'm going to glue on the shoes. Some of these areas have little score markings, so you know exactly where to glue the pieces down. Then we're going to go in with the hat pieces. And I'm just using super glue, the eyebrows, the mustache. There's a little section for the nose as well. And then I'm going to glue the beard on top of the face. Now there was a scored area, so I knew exactly where that went. I'm going to glue the beard down on top of the shirt. And then part of that is what glues to the face to connect the top part of the body. Then I'm going to use this banner to connect the body with the legs. I'm going to add some buttons to my cuffs. And then I'm going to add some stars on the left and right side of this banner that Uncle Sam is holding. I went in with my paint marker to just add a little bit of detail to help bring out some of those pieces. I decided to dry brush some white on the legs and on the shirt. Now, I could have done that before I started gluing. It was an afterthought. And again, I went in with more of my paint marker to just add some detail. All this detail is completely optional, but it does add some nice detail to the project. Now your base has 3 pieces. You're going to lay the biggest to the smallest. I added tape to the bottom to make sure that I had it nice and lined up. I painted all of that in some brown paint and a little bit of water. The tape is going to help when I start to glue Uncle Sam into the base. That way I don't get glue on the bottom of my project and then it's glued to the table. The big set of stars is going to help stabilize Uncle Sam in the stand. So you want to add glue into that little slat there. And then you also want to glue the big set of stars to the back. And make sure you do all of this in the order that I'm showing you so that everything glues nicely together. And you want that to really dry. Don't be afraid to put a lot of glue there. Then the remaining stars I kind of just scattered throughout the bottom. There's really no right or wrong on how you place these. And then I went in with my little embossing tool to add dots to the stars. You can also just use a paint marker here as well. You're going to want to give it a top coat once everything is dry. And there you go. I just love how he came out. I hope you enjoyed it and good luck on your project. ChalkItUpFancy.com for other tutorials and cutouts.